Hello students. Today we will start new chapter from your maths book, that is chapter number 9. So in chapter number 9 we are going to learn about skip counting. What is skip counting? In math, skip counting can be defined as the method of counting forward by numbers other than 1. To skip count, we keep adding the same number each time to the previous number. So, my dear students, when we start skip counting, we will add the same number each time to the previous number. Here we are skip counting by 2 on a number line. So starting at a 0, the next number will be 0 plus 2 equal to 2, then 2 plus 2 equal to 4, then 4 plus 2 equal to 6, then 6 plus 2 equal to 8, and then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and so on. Look at the number line, how the skip counting has been done in the slide. Skip counting by 3. Here we add number 3 for each step of counting. So look at the slide. We can say that it is the table of 3. We have seen that we will add the same number with the previous number. So it is done in this way. That means 3 plus 3 equal to 6, 6 plus 3 equal to 9, 9 plus 3 equal to 12, 12 plus 3 equal to 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, and so on. That means here just we have to remember the table of 3. Now we will do the skip counting by 5. That means we are going to add the 5 with the next number, or we can say that it is the table of 5. When we count skipping 5 numbers in between, then we skip count by 5. Let us start counting by skipping 5 and write the succeeding numbers. That means we are going to add 5 plus with the next number. That means 5 plus 5 equal to 10, 10 plus 5 equal to 15, 15 plus 5 equal to 20, 20 plus 5 equal to 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and so on. Now we will do the skip counting by 25. That means it is the table of 25. When we hundreds of things to count, we can also skip count by 25. It will help in counting fast. Skip count by 25 is done as. That means 25 plus 25, 50. 50 plus 25, 75. 75 plus 25, 100. 100 plus 25, 125. 125 plus 25, 150. 150 plus 25, 175. 175 plus 25, 200. 225, 250, 275. So on. You can practice writing more numbers in forward. Skip by 25. Now we'll skip counting by 100. Let us understand counting by 100 with the help of few examples given below. That means we are going to add 100 with the next number. That is 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 100, 300. 300 plus 100, 400. 400 plus 100, 500. 600, 700, 800, 900, so on. Dear students, I hope that you have understood the skip counting, that is chapter number 9.